see.
So, how does this work?
Okay, is it recording? Is it recording, Casey?
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay, look. You're gonna go like that.
You need to shake it?
Yeah. You put it in your mouth and you shake it really fast.
Here, I'll show you.
Open it up.
No, don't open. Why that? It looks like you're giving someone a blow.
But as soon as you open it, put it in your mouth.
Oh my god, can we stand on the deck?
No,
Wait,
stupid.
I just put my hair up.
Oh, Casey.
Okay.
I need to put my hair up.
I don't want to get it.
Here, wait. Turn this way, Casey, because the light's this way.
Yeah, seriously.
Let's get baking now.
Okay, so shake and then...
No. As soon as you open it, shake it with your mouth on it. But open it really fast and put it in your mouth.
Over here, because I'm freezing and like right here. Oh god, I'm scared.
Just do it really fast and then put it in your mouth and shake it. Hurry up!
You did it wrong! Do it again! You shake it!
Okay. Hurry up!
Keep it in your mouth! I don't get it!
You have to do it. It just explodes in your mouth. You gotta keep it sounds like an orgasm.
Okay, I think I'm... That just makes me look like such a slore.
Just do it.
Do it.
Ready?
Wait.
Shake it really fast and keep your mouth on it. Did it do it? It's like an orgasm. It just explodes in your mouth. Ew.
We should have gotten another one.
We should have.
We should have gotten root beer.
Root beer!
Is it still recording?
Yeah, do I press stop? How do I press stop?
Something interesting.
Do I press the flash button?
If
What's the flash button?
there's... No, what are you trying to do?